Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out a Tarte concealer that I have not tried out yet. This is the Tarte SEA Hydrocealer. And I got this in my June 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which if you have not seen that unbagging yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. And I think that is such an amazing bag that I got. I am so excited about it, and this is one of the reasons why I love Tarte and I love concealers, and I love Tarte concealers. I mean, concealers are like one of the few makeup products that I feel like I need to wear every single day. If I could only choose 3 makeup products, it would be concealer, mascara, and brow pencil. Like those are my absolute minimum essential products. And so I got this in the shade 12N Fair Neutral. It has a retail value of $25 and it comes in a lot of shades. I am very impressed by the shade range of this. You can get it at Sephora and it sounds amazing. So it is medium coverage, natural finish, but it has marine plant extract, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and smooths and softens the skin. Vitamin B3 niacinamide to help reduce the appearance of pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. I need all of that. And it has caffeine to help reduce puffiness while smoothing, tightening, and brightening skin's appearance. Perfect for the under eyes. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And it comes in recyclable packaging. So it seriously sounds amazing, and I do like the packaging on it. Very cute, a unique shape, I feel like, for a concealer. Oh, good, but it does have the rounded tip doe foot applicator. And okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my under eye on one of the sides so we can compare the coverage and the difference. So I don't want to go in with too much at first, but since it is only a medium coverage, I'm used to the Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm used to a full coverage. And it does say to just blend it out with a dampened sponge, so I'm going to try that technique. I do like a light and bright shade on my under eyes. So definitely seems brightening. There's a very visible difference already. And yeah, definitely just medium coverage. But I think the brightness of it really helps with my under eye circles. This might be a little bit light for me right now, but I'm gonna also go ahead and apply it onto my nose. Do it on the chin a little bit. The applicator doesn't hold that much product. You can see it kind of started running out when I got to my chin. But since it is supposed to help with covering up discoloration and minimize pores. But yeah, here I can see like a sheer amount of coverage. Like if I was using this to cover up some blemishes on like my cheek, my chin, my nose, that really wouldn't give me coverage over those blemishes. Because you can even see like this cheek versus that cheek, not much of a difference at all. And I think just my personal preference is full coverage, but let's go ahead and apply some more, see if it is buildable. See, like, yeah, the wand is basically clean now. It does seem to be buildable, so that's good. Still not completely covering, but it did only claim to have medium coverage. And I would say like one layer is light coverage, and then layering it up, you can get to that medium coverage. But coverage aside, it really does look smooth and hydrating. It doesn't look at all cakey. It doesn't leave behind any texture. So it doesn't even look like I'm wearing layers of concealer because of how smooth it is. So I really love that. Let's go ahead and apply it to the other side and let it kind of set down on the other side, and we'll see if there's any creasing. I feel like I just take the entire amount that's on the wand and apply it all over my face. And it does blend out really nicely, really easily. I like the technique of using the sponge, which I'm glad it works with the sponge because this is my favorite technique to use. And so now my face is concealed, and I feel like it does have like a hydrated glow to it. You know, since this is a lighter shade and I feel like it's kind of highlighted me, I feel like my forehead needs a little bit as well. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit on the forehead to even out the skin tone and make it look a little bit more cohesive and natural. So it's a good highlight shade for my skin tone at the moment. But yeah, even on my forehead here, you can see like it barely did anything, and I kind of applied a lot. But so this did not claim to be crease proof. It didn't say that anywhere that I saw. So there is definitely creasing happening in all of the lines that I have on my under eyes. So that's a bit of a bummer, but so common to happen with concealers. But in order to prevent the creasing, I'll have to set it with a setting powder, which will take away some of that sheen, that natural finish that this does leave on the skin, which looks so good. It truly is a hydrated natural finish, but I'm going to have to mattify the under eyes and anywhere else I want to set down because it does crease. So overall, my thoughts are, I like this concealer. I don't love it, but I am very impressed by the smooth, hydrated texture, because a lot of concealers look so heavy and so cakey on the skin, and I'm very picky about that. I don't like anything to look heavy or cakey on my skin. I just want my makeup to look very skin-like, and this absolutely looks so smooth and skin-like. It's just a bummer about the creasing and what I was saying before about the coverage. I would like some more coverage. So because of that, I don't think this is the best perfect concealer, but I do still like it, and I think that I will get use out of it, but it's not going to be my repurchased go-to replace Tarte Shape Tape type of concealer for me. But definitely let me know your thoughts on the Tarte SEA Hydrocealer in the comments down below if you've tried it out, because I'm very curious to hear everyone's thoughts. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.